Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for Perl development. Codeium's AI-powered features can enhance your Perl programming with smart code suggestions and completions. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new Perl project or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you write Perl code, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time suggestions. These suggestions appear in a drop-down menu next to your cursor. To accept a suggestion, simply press Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggested code snippet into your Perl file, helping you code faster and more efficiently. Codeium can assist with various aspects of Perl programming such as writing scripts, modules, and functions. It offers intelligent suggestions based on Perl best practices and common patterns. For example, if you start typing a function definition or a module, Codeium will suggest completions for parameters, return values, and implementation details, making it easier to write well-structured Perl code. Codeium also supports Perl-specific features like regular expressions and context-sensitive syntax. It can provide relevant code completions and recommendations for handling these features effectively. To customize Codeium's behavior for Perl, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of suggestions shown and language-specific settings. Use Codeium's refactoring suggestions to improve your Perl code quality. It can recommend optimizations and better coding practices to enhance the performance and readability of your code. Regularly test and review your Perl code to ensure it functions as expected. Codeium suggestions can help you write better code, but always validate your code through testing. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for Perl development. This tool can boost your productivity and help you write clean and efficient Perl code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.